What's up, party people? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed this episode of these slabs going crazy in the park.
Ayy, on time like ayy, look, dying from corona while I'm living on coronas. They been living for attention, they been dying for diplomas. My persona and aroma could've told ya I don't give a signed a bigger contract so I could talk some bigger. Police pull you over, they be tryna give a I be such a gentleman, they came to see some. She just wanna cut, I wanna cut as in a bigger split. She ain't even ready for this wood I'm about to hit her with. Hit my swisher in your hitter in that order up. I was feeling low and then I realized I'm sorta up. Porter front of Porter, Florida, baby, let me pull ya up. She be on the foyer, folding flouters, whipping Goya up. Straight from out that Mississippi soil, Tom Sawyer up. If you get your paper up, then I suggest you lawyer up. This make me immortal, so I know that it mean more to us. Talking about you bored and half your neighborhood been boarded up. 35 with my AC on, Nina by my side with no safety on. Praying to the Lord I make it safely home. But if that ain't your will, then will you take me home? Headed from the bank, I just put 20 up. I stay out the way and get my money up. Praying to the Lord I make it safely home. But if that ain't your will, then will you take me home? I ain't never wanna be a role model. Truly, I just wanna be a bread getter. Why you always tryna be a tough? Around and really be a dead. I've been on 10 since at least 5. In the dirty south where the heat thrive. Pandemic send it 6 feet. So homie, I'ma need me at least 5. Feeling like none of y'all safe bets. Lately I can't even have safe. Baby, I ain't with your neighborhood. I ain't even talking about the latex. Ride around town with a doctor mask, hoping I'll never see a copper pass. Even though I know I ain't did nothing, cause Lord knows they'll pop it. Lately I've been feeling like God working, when every single part of your soul hurting. Cause every single person I know eating, but ain't a single person I know working. Everybody cool when it's cool though. Streets get hot when the summer coming. Me, I'ma chill by the pool though. Fuck around, live to be 100 something. Understand that you long-winded, at least wait till my song ended. Every time that you doing right, they gon' tell you what's wrong with it. I ain't really worried what the people say. Good as long as my mama love me. Death gotta be beautiful. The world filled with all kind of love. 35 with my AC on, Nina by my side with no safety on. Praying to the Lord I make it safely home. But if that ain't your will, then will you take me home? Headed from the bank, I just put 20 up. I stay out the way and get my money up. Praying to the Lord I make it safely home. But if that ain't your will, then will you take me home?
Thanks for tuning in today to the channel. Hope you like the content. Please subscribe, hit like. You can share the video. All of this is free to you. We'd really appreciate it.